Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Buffer for free in 2026. If you want to schedule social media posts, manage your content, and stay consistent online without paying for a subscription, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Buffer website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a free account using your email address, Google account, or another available sign-up option. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Buffer dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your connected social media accounts and scheduled posts. Next, click Connect Channel and link the social media platforms you want to manage, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, or other supported networks. Follow the on-screen instructions and grant Buffer permission to access your accounts. Now it's time to create your first post. Click the Create Post button, write your caption, upload an image or video if needed, and choose the social media accounts where you want the post to appear. Next, instead of publishing immediately, click Add to Queue or Schedule Post. Select the date and time you want your content to go live. This helps you stay active even when you're away. Now take a moment to explore the free features available in your dashboard. You can manage scheduled posts, edit your content before it's published, and monitor your posting calendar. Just remember that the free plan includes certain limits on connected channels and scheduled posts. Finally, continue creating and scheduling content regularly to maintain a consistent social media presence while staying within the free plan limits. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Buffer for free step by step. You can now schedule posts, organize your content, and manage your social media accounts without spending any money. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.